Last day on the safari, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but there are crocodiles in there. And this is the first time I've seen crocodiles in the wild. And no, I can't see their penises, so shut up. Check out the croc.
You have to catch.
A threesome. Dum dum. All we want is to see animals fight, but every single time we get even remotely close, they're like, nope, gotta be PG for these people. The fuck? I take it back, they're fighting. He's taking a shit. This is an African buffalo. He looks like George Washington. I was just in our tent getting ready for lunch, and all of a sudden I hear all this racket on the roof of the tent, and I scream, no! And all of these monkeys, you can't really see them right now, they all came flying off of the tent. That was pretty funny. You can't see it, but this bird is the prettiest bird I've ever seen in my whole life. I call it the rainbow bird. Landon versus David. Who got the better shot? Beautiful photo number one. David did a pretty friggin' phenomenal job. And David wins. Except he's sleeping. Fucking pussy. They made a recipe from my blog. Aw, Kachiche went out of the way to make this recipe. Leek and cauliflower soup. Let's see if it tastes the same.
My name is Wellington. I work at Kicheche Camps as Kicheche Mara as a chef. I made the soup with cauliflower and leeks. So first I chopped the cauliflower and leeks. Then I sauteed with some garlic, with some olive oil. Then after that, I put it in a pot, boiled it a bit with some chicken cube, with some vegetable broth. Then I boiled it for some like 5 minutes, 10. Then after that, I put it aside to simmer for about 10 minutes. Then after that, I blended it, and that's all.
Where did you find this recipe?
From GiGi, it's celebrity.
Oh, yeah. Did you know that that's my website?
Yeah.
Well, I really appreciate you making my own recipe. That's so sweet of you.
Thank you very much. I've learned something very new. I can make a soup without potatoes.
Yeah, see, you don't need potatoes.
You don't need potatoes, yeah.
Did you like it?
I liked it.
Oh,
very,
good.
Very much. I also need some more recipes from you.
I mean, go on the website and you can get a lot more recipes.
No problem.
What's mine is yours.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, I'm Tony from Samara, camp manager. My colleague Aki, camp manager. Amazing soup, GiGi. Beautiful soup.
It is amazing.
Hi, I'm Landon Ashford. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Okay, you always say tickle on the camera. It's very weird, but tickle, tickle, tickle. I guess the tickles come out when he eats my soup.
Obviously.
Landon, what are you doing?
Alright, now we're gonna have a good night's sleep.
Today we leave Mara North and we go back to Nairobi. And now I have to say our safari was pretty successful. We saw every single animal. The only thing we did not see was an animal killing something else. But we're doing a game drive on the way to the airstrip, so maybe we'll see one then. Let's hope for it, because let's be real, I want to see the blood and the guts and the gore. Ugh. I mean, that's why you come to Africa, right? Not just for the really good food I had here. Darn it, we missed this newborn 5 minutes ago. It came out of that gazelle right there. Still has all of the juices all over that. He is sniffing her butt. He wants on that. Get on her. She wants it bad. Oh my god, he has pee in his face. He likes it.
Nope, not interested.
Damn it.
She's not that hot anyways.
And that completes our safari. Now, we were in Mara North for the past 4 days, and prior to that, we were in Laikipia for 3. We saw every single animal under the sun. However, we did not see any kills, which is what we were really looking for, but oh well. that being said, GiGi camps went above and beyond. Above and beyond. My stomach is so full from all of the delicious food. And, you know, glamping ain't such a bad time. Although I have to admit that bucket shower, not really my favorite. And in Mara North, by the way, you kind of wake up damp every day, but that's just because there's a lot of moisture in the air. Anyways, that's it for me here in Africa. I know Landon has some few words about his experience, so he's going to tell you that now.
Hi.
Landon is playing African golf right now. Wow.